Hello everyone, I'm Jun Marking Kabulong and I will be discussing the internet terms and definition. So what is the internet? The internet is like a giant web that connects millions of computers, phones, and other devices around the world. It lets people talk, share information, watch videos, send emails, and use apps like Facebook, YouTube, or WhatsApp. Now let's proceed to common internet terms. So the first is IP address. A special number that identifies a device on a network. Example, 192.168.11. Just like your home has an address, your device has one too. Domain name, a name you type to visit a website instead of using a long number. Example, instead of typing 172.217.0.142, you can just type www.google.com. So that's the domain name. Next, URL, or also known as Uniform Resource Locator. The full address to go to a specific page on the internet. So let's proceed to HTTP or HTTPS. What it means, the rules for how data is sent between your device and websites. Now let's proceed to internet common terms. So the first one is bandwidth. Simple how much data can move through your internet connection at once. So that is the bandwidth. And the next one is cache. A small memory space that keeps copies of things you've recently visited online. Example, when you visit a website again, it loads faster because it's already saved in the cache. So the next is cookies. Little memory pieces, websites saved to remember things about you. Uh, Example, a site remembering your login or items in your shopping cart. So the last is firewall, a guard that checks data going in and out of your computer to block threats. Example, like a security gate that only lets safe people into a building. Now let's proceed to internet services and protocols. So the first is VPN or virtual private network. Hides your internet activity and keeps it private. Example, like wearing an invisibility cloak online to keep your info safe. So next is FTP or file transfer protocol, a system for moving files between computers over the internet. Example, a web designer uploads website files to a server using FTP. DNS or domain name system. Change website names like google.com into numbers, IP addresses that computers understand. Example, like your phone's contacts, you type mom but it dials your number. The last is SMTP or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, a system that helps send emails between computers. Example, when you click send on Gmail, SMTP helps deliver that email to your friend. Now let's proceed to cybersecurity terms. So the first is phishing, a scam where someone tries to trick you into giving private info like passwords. Example, getting an email that looks like it's from your bank but it's fake. Malware, bad software that can damage or steal stuff from your device. Example, a virus that deletes your files or spies on your activity. The last one, two-factor authentication, 2FA, an extra layer of security that asks for two things to prove it's you. Example, after typing your password, you also enter a code sent to your phone. Now let's proceed to web and network terms. The first one is LAN or local area network, a network in a small area like your home or office. Example, all the computers connected to one Wi-Fi router at school. Next, WAN or wide area network, a network that covers a big area like cities or countries. Example, the internet itself is a big one. Cloud computing, using services like storage or apps over the internet instead of your computer. Example, saving photos in a Google Drive instead of on your phone. So next, web hosting, a service that stores websites so people can visit them online. Example, when you make a blog and want others to see it, a web host makes that possible. Now, let's proceed to my last topic, the social media and digital communication terms. So the first one is algorithm. An algorithm is like a recipe that tells a computer what to do and how to do it, especially what to show you online. Example, when you're scrolling Instagram or TikTok, the algorithm decides which posts or videos you see based on what you like or watch before. It's like your own digital DJ picking songs and things you'll enjoy. Next, metadata. Metadata is information about other information. It helps describe details like when a file was created, its size, or where a photo was taken. Example, if you take a selfie, the photo was metadata like date, time, and location, even the phone model you use. So the last one is API or Application Programming Interface. An API is like a waiter at a restaurant. It takes your request to the kitchen and brings back your food, helping two systems talk to each other. So the example here is when you log in into a game or app using your Google or Facebook account, that's an API at work, letting those apps connect and share info safely. So that's all, and thank you. God bless everyone.